Hey, so you student at National University, right? How campus life there? Yes, I do. I is Perry Bus and a student mechanical engineer, and we has many class every week. What about you? What do you student? I study Views Administration and City University. I has a lot of subjects too. Book know as many as you. My favorite class is marketing. We work in group activity and present our project confidently. That's so cool. Do you have difficult teacher? Yes, most as there are three views. There one us to love well. My static professor explain every time, so understand better. Are you professor? Us, my professor are friendly, but only a face explains the sloom. I still her view. I want good grades. And my free time and play soccer with friends. Do you do any activity? Not much. Honestly, I have like free time. But enjoy the back look sometime. We breaks, sprinkling, cream and crowley. Nice. Maybe we can meet only and practice together sometime. Definitely. That about help us both improv.